Hi Dresser Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw the snowman among us. So let's get started. To draw this very cool Among Us, let's first start by drawing the helmet visor area. So I'm going to come right here and draw a curve and go across. Sharpen up this curve right here. Round this off and connect it. It's going to be slightly tilted upwards. There. Now from here, let's go ahead and bring a curve down about right here. And imagine this going through. And let's come to the center of this visor area, come out about, say, here. And I'm going to start to draw the body. So I'll bring this up for the head area. And because I'm using a Sharpie and I know there's this scarf I want to draw right underneath to spruce up this snowman among us, I'm going to stop and about right here, I'm going to draw a curve. And about right here, I'm going to pop it up for the scarf and then connect. But if you're using a pencil, definitely go ahead and just finish the Among Us. So from here, I'm going to pop this out a little bit, as well as here. And I'll bring this in, just following the curve and in as well. But then let's come back and finish this Among Us shape first. So coming through, bring it down. So same thing here. And before I finish the legs, let's come to about right here in the visor area. Come straight down, say about here. And I'm going to draw a curve right across. And this is where the legs are going to start. So about right here. Go ahead and connect it. So same thing here. Let's bring this over a little bit more. And this side's going to be slightly shorter because we are drawing at a slight angle. And connect. There. Okay, so then let's work on this later. Let's come back and draw the awesome snowman. So I'll bring this up more. And if you're using a pencil, definitely finish this shape first, the head. Just finish this curve first, but I'll stop about right there. And in this area, I'm going to start to draw the curve for our snowman. So the bottom layer right here, I'm going to tuck it into this area, draw a curve, and tuck it in. Okay, so then let's go ahead and build the layers for our snowman. So that's the first one, which is the biggest one, and then about right here, I'm going to come down. This is easier in my hands to draw downwards, and about right there, draw the second layer. And then the top, which is basically kind of like a circle. So I'm just going to draw this circle at the top and connect. There. So I have the 3 layers in. And then at the top, we have this little top hat we want to draw. So come up here. It's kind of this ovalish rectangular shape, and then the top hat part. Right here. And then the eyes. So 2 eyes. So right here I'm going to put a little dot and then another little dot and a carrot for his nose. So come right here with a curve and just bring in this little point for the carrot nose. And then he has this little scarf right here. So let's see if I can even put that in. I'll just draw a curve across and then curve down here for a scarf. And then button, so right here, 1, and then there's 2 down here. There, and then the arms, so about right here, I'm going to come out, thicken it up. A slight angle and another one, and then about right here, same thing. There, it's so cute, right? Okay, and then let's, before I forget, let's come to the center of this visor area, and about right here, we're going to draw the pack all the way down to about right there and connect. Okay, so then let's finish up, let's make this Among Us a little bit more Christmassy. So right here, where this little hump is, I'm going to draw the scarf part that hangs down. And then let's go ahead and connect it. And another layer right underneath. And now we can go ahead and finish this part off. And if you like, you can draw some of these tassels that come down for some more details. And let's give a little button right here, just like the snowman. And if you like, you can, let's add some bands of color on our scarf. There. So notice on this side the curves are going this way, and on this side the curves are going that way, just to give it some volume. And that is pretty much it for this snowman hat Among Us. I really hope you loved my Christmas series where I did the Christmas lights one and the Santa hat one, and of course this one. Let me know in the comments below which one's your favorite, and if you want me to draw more Christmas Among Us, definitely let me know. Thanks so much for watching, and if you loved it, please make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.